Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name is Greg and today we're going to take a look at the British Pound Australian Dollar. Now this is one to keep an eye on for next week. As you can see, we've had some rather bullish moves off of these lows, starting down here. And we've just put in recently this extremely bullish move. As you can see, little to no structure in between. Best place for stops being below here. And we've started to base in with a bit of structure here. As you can see, we've just kind of gone sideways. Creating this bit of consolidation, accumulation, call it what you will. Below here, there will be a gathering of retail trader stops. This being a pound pair, generally this is too far away from the action for the average day trader or retail trader, so they'll like to position themselves as close to the action as possible. Actually move these up a little bit, they probably won't be as far away as that. So what am I expecting from this pair? Well, as you can see, there is a potential for this to continue, and then I'll be looking for a break below this level before reversing and going long. If you look down here, there is a nice little level in here. We may not break down this far, but it would certainly benefit the trade if we were to pop down and bounce off this level. Obviously, if we accumulated a little bit more along this level, it would certainly feed some fuel into the fire. This would accumulate more stops below this level. Even if we got a little break and a pullback and a little push down and a failure and then a reversal, this would encourage all the breakout traders. This would certainly encourage all the retracement traders, and then I'll be looking to get long. So targets, I hear you scream. Well, depending on what type of trader you are, depending on what your targets are, what your risk to reward is, you could aim for the top of the channel. However, I think there is some potential, given the good Brexit news recently, that this pair could push higher. And if we flick out to the 240, as you can see here on the 240 chart, we're in this nice ascending channel, and it would not surprise me to see this thing attempt to at least retest the top of this channel. There's a nice little zone just above it, nice bit of confluence between this zone and the channel, and if you look left, this has obviously acted as support in the past. Broken support and support again, broken support, and may even end up turning into resistance. However, if we do get a test or even a break and a retest from the other side, this may even go further. But however, let's find out to see what happens. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoyed this type of content. If you do, please give it a like, give it a share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. As always, don't forget to trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.